Every morning, I take the bus to work. I stand at the same bus stop. I wait at 7 in the morning. The air is cool and quiet. The bus is always full of people. But I like the bus. In a car, you look at the road. On the bus, you look at people. You see their faces. You feel the life of the city. Some people read their phones. Some people close their eyes. But I like to watch the world go by. One morning, something was different. An old woman got on the bus. She walked very slowly. She had a small bag in her hand. Her coat was soft and purple. The bus was full that day. There were no seats for her. She looked tired. So I stood up. I said, "Please, take my seat." She looked at me and smiled. She said, "Thank you, young man." She sat down slowly. I stood next to her for the whole trip. It was a small thing, but it felt nice. The next morning, I saw her again. She was at the same bus stop. She smiled at me. She said, "Good morning." I said, "Good morning." We sat together on the bus. She told me about her garden. She had many flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, white flowers. She loved them very much. "My flowers are like my children," she said. I laughed. I liked her already. Her name was Rose. Like the flower. She lived alone. Her husband was gone now. But she was not sad. "I have my garden," she said. "And now I have you." Those words made me happy. Every day after that, we said hello. She waited for me at the bus stop. And I waited for her too. We were not family. We were not old friends. But every morning, we talked. Sometimes about the weather. Sometimes about her garden. Sometimes about nothing at all. On cold mornings, she saved me a seat. On rainy days, we shared her umbrella. She always had a smile for me. And I always had one for her. One day, she showed me a photo. It was a photo of her garden. The flowers were beautiful. "You must come and see them," she said. One day, I said, "I promise." The bus was our little place. One morning, I brought her something too. It was a small yellow flower. I bought it near my house. She held it in her hands. Her eyes were bright. "Thank you," she said softly. "Now I have a new flower for my garden." That morning felt warm and happy. Then, one morning, she was not there. The bus stop was empty. I looked around. But she did not come. I felt worried. Where was she? Was she okay? The next day, she was not there again. And the day after that. Every morning, I looked for her purple coat. But I did not see it. I even asked the bus driver. He did not know her. Each morning, I hoped. And each morning, the bench was empty. I missed her "good morning." I missed our small talks. The bus felt very quiet now. The seat next to me felt empty. A week passed. Then, one morning, I saw her again. She was at the bus stop. She looked well. I was so happy. I said, "I was worried about you." She smiled softly. She said, "I was sick, but I am fine now." "I am sorry I made you worry," she said. I thought about our mornings every day. Then she gave me a small box. Inside were cookies from her kitchen. She said, "Thank you for your kindness." I did not know what to say. I just said, "Thank you." We sat together again, like before. That day, the cookies were sweet. But her smile was sweeter. Now, every morning, I still take the same bus. I stand at the same bus stop. And I wait for my friend. Because the bus is not just a way to work. It is where I met her. A small seat became a big friendship. I still remember her promise. "You must come and see my garden." One day, I will. And I will bring a yellow flower. Thank you for listening to my story today. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to Slow English Listening. A new English story comes out every day. Next, you can watch my story about a quiet day at the park. It is another small, happy adventure. Until then, take care. Bye.